Hi, I'm doing a giveaway for Knit Crate Yarn, and if you'd like to become a member, the link for that is down below. You can get your first month off, 20% off, if you put in the promo code JEWEL20. Now, to participate in this giveaway, just comment down below. I have a new Facebook page and group, and if you'd like to join, the links are down below, and comment down below that you went to my page and you liked it. If you already done that, then great. If you don't want to be a part of my group or my page, then you can just comment down below something crochet related. I had to start a new page and group because my Facebook page and group was hacked. You may have already heard in my last video. So this is the giveaway. This is the little card. And it came with this cool little jewel. This is the yarn. It's like this yellow, different types of orange in it. It's cozy socks. So this is a sock type of yarn. And this is the book it came with. So you can make socks with this giveaway. Okay, so like I said down below, comment that you liked my new Facebook page or group for crochet, because I had to start a new one, or type something in crochet related, maybe something you're working on if you've already liked my page, or if you don't want to participate in the page or group on Facebook if you're not on Facebook or whatever. So anyways, thank you for watching, and please subscribe. To be a winner, you need to subscribe as well.